Hello, it's Jimmy here, the O'Reilly's. Got here Range Rover Velar. Okay, so this vehicle has an issue with, well, we've got a back door open there. No engine restarts, 347 miles. Okay, so I've already put the vehicle on ramps. I'm about 5 or 10 minutes into having a look over the vehicle here. If we come back out of these special functions, so I'm trying to do a deep AdBlue reset, but it's not working. The reason is we had something like 52 faults come up here. I've just pressed clear on them. Let me go back and show you what I was just looking at. I should have started from the start, but I was getting distracted with a customer talking to me, so here we are. Where am I looking at? More diagnostic history. So what's the time now? 10:33. 10:18. So yes, about 10 minutes ago we done this. We first set off the scan. We've got all of these faults: engine speed, input, open circuits, invalid signal, communication issues, CAN bus communication, bus C, start button signal low, deployable tow bar, short circuit to battery, defroster, steering lock, basically everything, high speed CAN communication, touchscreen communication. It says all of this, but all of these items are working. Then we got NOx exceedance codes, NOx control monitoring, P2BAE, P2BAF, P2BU0080 communication issues, NOx control monitoring, NOx system, driver inducement, exhaust gas temperature sensor, reductant injection valve circuit, open circuit confirmed, invalid data from that, deployable tow bar, short circuit, basically a lot of different short circuits. Now let's go back. We'll run that scan again now, see what faults have come back. So I've just tried to, basically what I've done so far is I've cleared those codes, tried to do a DPF, an AdBlue reset to see if that malfunction will clear, but it doesn't. So now we need to figure out what's going on. Alright, this is a 2 litre. I'm going to do a full scan again on the car. Start the scan. Now this time it seems to be coming up a bit better, because all of these were coming up red earlier with 8 faults, 6 faults, 2. A couple of faults come back there. What I would immediately say is, because we've got 40 odd faults or something like that with short circuit issues and voltage issues, I'd say that we need a new battery. Okay, that's done, is it? Right, we've got passenger compartment, temperature sensor, fan actuator stuck, central configuration, deployable door handle, short circuit battery, deployable door handle, deployable door handle. And we've got 4 on ECM, NOx exceedance, NOx control monitoring system, general signal failure, driver inducement active, reductant injection valve open circuit. Okay, so, well, this is going to be the main thing that we need to look at, is the ECM really. These door handles ones I'm not really worried about. So we've got all of these NOx exceedance codes and the driver inducement active, but obviously the main code for all of that is going to be this one, P2047-13, reductant injection valve. So it probably needs an injection valve, saying that on these I've seen loads of them with the cable that rubs off. P2B, yeah, so once you've got this fault, it then triggers all of these because of this one here. So we're going to have a look at the AdBlue injector. Okay, so here's the AdBlue injector here. Hopefully we don't need too much light to be able to see that. So Let's try and open this cover. Can we get it to slide down? Try and have a look at the wiring. So what happens on these is right here, it rubs its way through the cabling. Yeah, that's definitely gone there. So what I'll do is we'll repair this cable and rescan the car, see if we can get everything to reset. Okay, so just cut open the installation there so we can get in, strip back those two cables, and I'm going to cut this one open as well now because we got corrosion there on that. Now I'm going to heat shrink that up, got it all joined together. Okay, now I've repaired the cables, heat shrinked it up, I just put a bit of duct tape around it to strengthen it, just to protect it, and we can get it plugged back in. Alright, run the battery test. Okay, now I'm going to come in, do adblue reset, and we will do injection pump replacement. Okay, come to codes, clear, faults are cleared. Now we can run a fresh diagnostic scan again. So cleared all the fault codes.
But you just need to.
Okay, so I'll just use the diagnostic outside the car for a minute. We've got the customers just using their phone in the car, so difficult to speak over that. Just run another scan. I've taken the car on a test drive. So to be clear, it was a battery that was faulty, and the wiring on the adblue injector, that's done. Test drive's done. All of the systems are now clear except for a couple of minor issues there, which is the fan and the door handles, which they're not concerned about. The car it's got an accident, damage on the passenger side, so it's going to have them sort of issues. Just over there on the passenger side of the door, looking on the live data, just make sure everything's checking out okay. So we've got 79% in the adblue tank. You can see the NOx sensors are working. Fault codes are all gone, except for, like I said, the door handles and the fan actuator for the fan on the passenger side foot compartment. Alright, so it looks like that's about it. Okay, so I've removed the adblue injector, just cleaned it off, cleaned down the port so that goes down to the DPF, or the catalyst there. That should be all of that done. So this being the 2-litre Ingenium, but it's the rear wheel drive orientated one, so the DPF sits up here, which is a much better system. The DPF itself doesn't need cleaning, but we've cleaned the adblue injector, and it will also clean downwards of the catalyst basically. So that's done. All faults are now cleared. We've taken it on a test drive. That's it, all of the faults are gone.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just all about finished on the Velar, and I'll see you on one of the next videos.